been working with all of our alumni groups. We've been working with all of our stakeholders, all of our Holy Cross family members to bring the traditions of 4950 Dauphine Street to 5500 Paris Avenue. That's my commitment to you all. You all have stuck with us through thick and thin, good times and bad, and I can make this one promise to you. The bad times are behind us, our golden age is upon us, and together in partnership, we're going to rock this thing, and it's going to be the best thing you've seen in the past 20 years. So thank you for having us.